Hello, students, and I hope you all are fine and doing well. So, students, in this video, we will continue the chapter 2 History of the Human 1. So, student, in the last video, as we have discussed about early humans and the Stone Age, Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic, and even we have discussed about sites. So, today we will start with the human make tools, how early human make tool from the stone. Yes, so in the beginning, humans searched for the stone which could be used as a tool. Later, they started making crude stone tool for specific need. Early human needed stone tools in day-to-day life for the different purpose. So as example, both big and small stones were used to make tools and weapons. So they used stone as a tool as well as a weapon, means even they could hunt the animal with stone tools. So the bigger one were used into axe heads, hammer and choppers, and smaller piece of the stones were sharpened and used as a knife and a scraper. So we can say that early human used stone tools for the different purpose. Further, we will discuss about the technique of tool making, how early human make stone tools, and which two techniques were used by the early human. So, early human used two techniques. First one is stone to stone, and second one is pressure flicking. So, student, you can see in the first picture stone to stone. So, in this, one stone was held in one hand and another stone was held in other hand. The second stone was used to strike the first stone, acquired the desired shape. So in the second picture, in pressure flicking, so in this stone was placed firm surface such as rock. Another stone was struck hard on the blunt surface of the second stone. So this was done till the first stone was of the desired shape. So these were the two techniques used by the early human for making tool from the. Yes, students, further we will discuss about the discovery of the fire. So, it is the greatest discovery of the early human. Let's see how early human discovered the fire. Several years ago, early human learned the use of fire. The discovery of the fire was accidental. Man struck two pieces of the stone against each other and spark produced as well as some dry leaf caught the fire. So, this is how early human discovered the fire. Students, even today, fire is very important in our life, and let's see how fire was important even in the early human, so we can know about it from the uses of the fire by the early human. Let's see. After the discovery of the fire, early human used the fire, first of all, for a cooked food. So earlier early human just ate raw meat, but after discovery of the fire, early humans started eating cooked food. And second one is it helped them to keep themselves warm during the winter season. And third one is it also protect from the animal, as animal are afraid of the fire, means even with the help of the fire, early human could protect themselves. And last one is it provide them light which help them to work inside the cave at the night. So this is how early human discovered the fire, and how early human use the fire for different purpose. Yes, further we will discuss about the early rock painting. So, first student, I have question that how we express our feelings. Yes, when we communicate with each other, in which language we feel comfortable. So early human express their feeling through paintings. So we have a number of paintings, rock paintings from the different sites. So let's discuss. First, we will discuss about the Bambetika. Bambetika in Madhya Pradesh is famous for the rock painting. The painting depicts scene of everyday life like men hunting, riding, dancing, women grinding, and preparing food. Means we could have an idea about the daily activity of the early human from these paintings. The color used in the painting are red, green, white. the paint made by the grinding various rock and minerals till they became powder. Even early human used paints in the paintings. So further we will discuss about the Deccan. Yes, the stone tool found from the prehistoric site of the Deccan are important link with the past. Archaeologists are studying carefully to find how early human lived, what ate, how they overcome from the harsh living conditions. So overall we can say that from the rock painting we could have idea about the early human, their lifestyle, even how they survived in difficult conditions or harsh climates. So student, in this video we have completed this chapter, and I hope you understand this concept. And thank you. Have a nice day.